Welcome to AppIQ. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off the always on display here on a Samsung phone. So what you're gonna do is go to the settings app, then scroll down until you see lock screen and AOD. So AOD stands for always on display. Click on that one. And then as you can see, the always on display is turned on.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish simple step-by-step tutorials showing you how to use your favorite apps, its settings, and various features. And so if you're finding these tutorials useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button below to also show some support and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming up every single day. Thank you guys for watching and let's continue.
Toggle off or click the button. So there you have it. The always on display is turned off. So you can click on this one, and as you can see, you cannot edit the settings because it is turned off. So in this way, you will save battery and more performance for your phone. Thank you and see you in the next video.